everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the fastest and most accurate way to remove backgrounds in the new Affinity. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your image inside the Affinity, and then on the left toolbar, this one, just click the Object Selections tool, this one. If it's your first time using it, Affinity will ask you to install the free segmentations model. Just turn it on and then it will automatically download the model. And once the model is installed, just switch to the selections brush tool, this one. And then next, just adjust your brush. Just adjust it as you need, like this. And then next, just brush the area that you want, like this. And Affinity will automatically analyze your image and create a clean selections around your subject. Like this. And then next just click on refine, this one, to clean up the any soft edges or small details. And then just set the output to mask, like this. And then increase the brush size slightly and gently paint around the edge to perfect the cutout. You can just adjust the smooth and feather of the brush. And when everything looks good, just click on apply. Okay, like this. And then to export with a transparent background, just go to the top right corner, this one, and then just choose PNG. Just choose PNG. And okay. And then next, just tap on export. And then just choose your locations and just tap on save. Like this. Okay, like this. That's the easiest and best way to remove background in Affinity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.